Next, we'll demonstrate the satin stitch using 3 strands of color number 6. First, divide the pattern in half. So our first stitch comes up in middle. If unsure about straightness, pull thread straight as guide. Then take needle down along this line. This ensures vertical alignment. After dividing in half, complete this side first, then work the other side. This creates even stitches. Come up next to first stitch at top. Go down vertically below. Come up next to previous stitch at top. Again, go down below. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Keep stitches close together. This creates smooth satin effect. After completing this side, bring needle back to middle. Continue with other side. Come up next to center line. Go down vertically below. Following these steps, complete this side. Each stitch should touch outline. For neat edges, this satin stitch, perfect for small area filling, great for flowers and leaves, an excellent choice. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result.